Hey guys, today we'll be making pizza. Okay, let's start off first with the pizza. First, locate in the pizza box how long to cook it for, as this bitch isn't focusing. Okay guys, it says 15 to 16 minutes at 210. Next, get your, next we gotta open the box. That's gonna be a challenge. Here's pizza. As you can see, it fits. I don't eat pineapple with pizza. I'll be removing all the pineapple if you are into just pizza. Now you put the pizza in. So then next you select. No, it's too bright. Basically, it says reheat on this sort of oven that I'm using. So put it up to 15 minutes. No, you can't see any better. Wait. No, don't worry. You can put it up to your desired degree, which is for me 205, as you can see now. And yeah, that's how you cook a pizza.